Alright, today is a nasty day. And right now I'm pulling up at Walmart to do some grocery shopping because this week is gonna be really crazy. Like, weather forecast is like snow every single day. So obviously I'm not gonna want to be outside so much this week because it's gonna be disgusting, and y'all know how I feel about snow. So yeah, I'm just like, let me hurry up and come to Walmart real quick and pick up a few items and start this little challenge thing that I wanted to do, and I'll tell you guys more about that. Maybe this video, maybe another video, I don't know yet. But yeah, so just pulling up at Walmart and starting the vlog because, like, why not? If the camera was all over the place just now, I'm sorry. But yeah, I just parked. I'm at Walmart. I'm taking you guys shopping with me. And like, yeah, today, I hope you guys are enjoying today because today's a triple upload. And yeah, I said I was gonna do Vlogmas, so I'm gonna do Vlogmas. I'm gonna upload a separate video for every single day.
Ho, ho, ho!
Can't forget the muzzle. Alright, you guys, let's go. Where my keys at? Found my keys. Again, the lint. I didn't bring the scarf. I took it off. I got upset. I have some lint on my shirt as well from when I tried to put it on. Look at this. I'm going to stop using that scarf. Wait, hold up. I want a piece of candy. Jolly Rancher. It's raining outside and snowing at the same time. Obviously, y'all can see it. And I got on slippers and socks. I really don't care though. You know what I mean? This is what I literally call a bummy day. So it's a bummy day, alright? Don't judge me. It's nasty outside. And I just need to get some things done. Yo, I think I just got a deal. Look at this. It's an extra bullet. For $29.96. That's not bad. I kind of did. I think I'm gonna get this. I just want one from the back. You know how it goes. Can't take anything from the front. Can't trust people. So let's see. Gotta get this. Yeah. I have to. I'm glad I walked over this stuff. You guys, I just got distracted. So remember I just saw this, right? This is regular. I think it's this is regular. I think it's how many watts? It's only 500 watts. I was looking at it. I'm like, it's only 500 watts. And it's only one cup, 24 ounces. So I came into the aisle and I found this, right? This one is 1,000 watts. 1,000 watts. This one is 1,000 watts. It has the actual pitcher, the 56 ounce pitcher, and it has the 24 ounce cup. So what's the point of getting that small one? It all depends on price though, because I'm trying to catch a deal. It is the holiday season, so like, yeah, I got distracted. Just saying. I'm gonna keep it pushing though. Literally forgot my wallet in the car, and I had to come out here and get my card. I got my head tie on, and I'm trying to be low and hide it, but it's peeking out. Anyways, I try to come out here to come and get it because I gotta pay for my stuff. Can't believe I forgot it. All right, I'm going back inside. I'm so excited for the ugly Christmas sweater. So excited. And my Christmas hat.
Select payment type.
Look how ashy my hands are. This is all for my ugly Christmas sweater.
Thank you for shopping at Walmart.
This was a successful shopping day, but I need one more shop. So one more, putting my camera in a random place. Ready? Where should I put it? Let me put it right here.
Is there any more of these?
All for y'all. God, it's already getting dark. Yeah. Winter. But at least it stopped raining or snowing. Whatever it was doing, it stopped. My trip at Walmart is basically complete. Got all my items. I'm excited. Alright, so let me end this video right here. So literally I spent so much time looking at like blenders and stuff, and the only thing they really had was like the NutriBullet that I was interested in. I was looking for the Ninja, but they didn't really have it. They had Ninja products and like air fryers and rice cookers, whatever, but they didn't have any blenders. So I am looking for blenders because I am a smoothie fan. I make a lot of smoothies, and I want something that has like the to-go cup, the actual like regular pitcher itself, and has good it has like at least 1,000 watts, because I want it to be nice and powerful. And for the price, I think that was going for like $90 something, and I'm just like, it's not worth it. I'd rather look for something much better, although that's also a good blender, not gonna lie. If it was about $70-$60, I would have gotten it, but it's not, and it's the holidays, and I feel like it should be a deal somewhere, so I'm gonna look elsewhere for a blender. But I just spent a lot of time looking at blenders. But this is it for today's video. I'll see you guys in another video. Bye guys.
Yourself